Hi, good morning. Can I please get a large cold brew with 1 cream, 1 sweet and low, and an everything bagel just in the bag? Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to today's video. It is May 25th. It is chilly. It is 6 in the morning, and we are getting ready for an entire weekend of golf with the boys. I'm super stoked and excited. I hope you are too. Like I said earlier this year, we were gonna have more golf content, and that's exactly what we're doing. So let's get on over to the church and meet up with the boys. You're fashionably late though, so that's good. What did everybody get?
I got the, what are these called? Little minis?
Chicken bites.
The chicken
chicken
Lord's
bites.
Chicken Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, and we are headed up to, where are we going? Lewiston, Michigan, which, who knows where that?
Yeah, is it even a real place?
I don't know, but Aaron, I think, lives up there
We'll
somewhere.
find out, yeah.
So he's probably
He probably made it
a
up, to be honest.
Sasquatch by now.
I had a whiff of it, and I'm like, did we just pass a landfill? It
Dude.
smells exactly like
in the back seat.
Oh no!
There's a log on the seat.
So, my bad. It was the Chick-fil-A. What can I say?
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Absorbent.
Onward! Bryson! Yeah, boy. It's gonna be a long weekend, but we're finally here. All right, nap time, right? Nope. Are you sure? I need a snack. Oh, not a bad setup, dude. Pretty nice.
Oh, yeah.
I'm excited. Oh, dang.
How you doing?
Fancy. Guys, you're holding up the line. Quickly, quickly. Oh, man. I like how the room went from like 320 to 330 like right away. Oh, a game room? It's a maze. Oh, this way. What room number am I? 340. Aha. Wait. How's Jordan's stuff in here? Jordan? Wait. Where is he? Image stabilization maxed out. Hey, there's my bag. That's beautiful right there. You know the kids gotta eat before the round gets started. Fellas are getting warmed up. Ant's going to get his pops. We vibe. All right, 2 holes in. How you feeling?
sucks.
Yeah, it's real bad.
It's only 333. Air, you got the. Oh, he's not doing it.
2 holes in, Jordan. How you feeling?
Well, the first hole was an absolute dumpster fire.
Second one?
Second one, pretty bad, but getting better.
A dumpster fire that's slowly going out. Me, I'm ready to quit golf forever.
Hey.
Yeah, Josh.
Get that train going.
Bruh.
That's it.
All right, Jake. Update the vlog. What's going on?
Well, we just started scrambling because we all have just been playing just
that you?
horrendously. Yes, I believe so. I don't think I made it halfway to the hole here.
You know, we've been taking it a nice, easy approach.
Yeah, right.
To, you know, we're all just getting warmed up. 3-hour car ride.
Yeah.
I mean, these geese are just won't
Yeah.
stop squawking.
The air is different.
Yeah,
up
we're
here.
higher altitude, further away from the equator. Just all these factors. Like, pros don't have to deal with this, but
Exactly.
we're doing the best we can.
That's right.
You know.
So, let's go make this birdie putt.
Absolutely.
Knock her down.
Knock her down. Nailed it. All right, update. We're at hole 14. I've lost all steam. Playing a scramble, barely holding on. Shooting about 1 million. It's been how long? It's been only 3 hours, and it feels like at least 17. Here goes Aaron. Finished up our first 18. We're either playing another 9 or 18. I'm not gonna survive. I'm at 45 holes in 3 days at a time. Josh, how'd you play today?
The best he's ever played.
Best ever. Jordan, how about you?
I mean, I could probably try for the U.S. Open qualifier, I would think, at this point.
I mean, mine as well, right? Do it big.
Yeah.
Aaron, how'd you do?
Not too bad, actually.
Show
yeah,
off.
you played okay.
Yeah, you did
You're
pretty
used to
good.
the air.
Yeah, it's the elevation change from the UP to Detroit, so makes sense. Let's go get food, please.
That's suspicious.
All right, vlog update. We played another 9. I did even worse. How did everybody feel about their second 9, Papa Joe? No comments, no comments. How'd you feel, Ant?
I mean, I had some shots.
Yeah.
We're putting it together.
You know, you can't measure heart and hanging out with your boys on the scorecard. And that's the main takeaway from today, especially this last 9, which is also why there was no recordings of this last 9.
The vibes were at a course record pace.
Yeah, unseen. And now where are we going to eat? Ray's barbecue. I'll just leave those. Leave those. No, take mine out. Leave mine. That's fine. All right, let's just all pile in here together.
Love you.
Got it.
Oh, yeah.
Need you, maybe I
Love you.
Let's just relax.
Baby. All right. Let's get the sign. Let's get in. Get some food. Yeah. Ray's barbecue. Yeah. We are back in the room. Dinner was delicious. 12 out of 10 from Ray's. And now it's just time to chill out, relax. We got another like 27 rounds of golf tomorrow, or 27 holes of golf tomorrow. It's gonna be a long day, so I gotta get some sleep. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss the Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday vlogs, or the Monday podcast. But most importantly, don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number 1. God bless.